In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Canva project by adding a stylish signature using a specific font. Whether you're a designer, a small business owner, or someone who just loves creating beautiful visuals, this little tip can add a nice professional touch to your work. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your Canva project. If you haven't already logged into Canva, go ahead and do that, and navigate to the particular project you'd like to enhance with your signature. It could be anything from an invitation, a digital marketing post, or even a personal card. Having your project open and ready will make this process smooth and straightforward. Next, you'll need to select the text area within your project where you'd like to add your signature. You might be wondering about the best placement for this signature. Typically, adding your signature towards the bottom right corner of your design works well, as it subtly integrates into the overall look. Once you've decided on the spot, click on the text box to start the customization process. Now here's where the magic happens. To make your signature stand out, it's essential to choose a font that not only aligns with the theme of your project, but also complements it. In this case, we're going to select the font style Brittany. It's a sleek and elegant script font that adds a personal and artistic flair. To change the font, look at the toolbar at the top of your Canva interface. You'll see a drop-down menu for fonts. Click there, scroll through the options, and find Brittany. Once selected, your text will instantly transform with that new stylish touch. As you type your signature, take your time to adjust it so it fits well within the design. Play around with the size by dragging the corners of the text box to expand or shrink it to your liking. You might also consider adjusting the color to either make it pop more with something vibrant or blend in with a subtle tone, depending on what best suits your project's background and theme. And just like that, you're all set. You've added a unique signature to your project, giving it that personalized mark. This small but significant detail can really elevate your visual design, making it distinctly yours. Remember to save your project once you're satisfied with how everything looks. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. By following these simple steps, you can enhance any Canva project with a beautiful custom signature. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.